Hello Bladers. Safety is your utmost priority, and with it comes the knowledge on how and what must be needed to do. Here are a step-by-step process on how to stop a car with failing brakes. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Step-by-step way to stop a car with the failing brakes. Step 1. Make sure that you don't compromise road safety. After turning on the hazard lights to aware of other drivers, open all the car windows. It's good to have power windows, especially if you're driving. If you are alone and you have an older model car, you can manually roll down the windows that you can safely reach. Make sure that you don't compromise road safety by failing to maneuver the steering wheel while you roll down the windows. Step 2. Pick a road that goes slightly upwards and drives your car there to lose some speed. One of the things you should consider when picking an upward slope is that it should not be too steep that instead of losing speed, you gain more after the ascent, and there is no heavy traffic where more drivers can potentially get hurt if you lose control of your vehicle. Step 3. Stop your car. Try turning the key to reach the off if you're still having trouble with stopping the vehicle. If the first method didn't work for you and you're still having trouble with the above steps 1 and 2, then this may stop your car. However, we would like to strongly advise only to result in this method when all else fail. This can be very dangerous and requires that you are calm so you don't end up turning the engine off while the vehicle is at a speed. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.